Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sorry we ain't had a video out in a while. We've been pretty busy working on stuff around the house and with some writing we've had going on, different things. We'll be getting some writing videos out maybe in a couple day or two. I'll try to get a video out for some writing and stuff. But today I just want to make a quick video to talk about. I don't think I've ever talked about my truck. I have a 2020 f-250. Got the new 7.3 liter gas engine in it. I love this truck. I really thought about getting a diesel, but just kind of dirty. But all in all, I'm very, very pleased with this truck. And for the most part, you guys will see my toy hauler. It pulls it down the road just like it's nothing. So the reason that I decided to make this video is for this 2006 f-250. It's got the 6.0 in it. It's my boy's truck. We just got it last week. We went up on a Tuesday, drove 2 hours away to look at it. Then we drove back home. Then the next day we got the financing all around. Drove 2 hours back up and then picked her up and came home. And this is a clean, I believe it came from Mississippi. It's like no rust at all. I mean, you got some of the normal like minor surface stuff, but as far as bed rails, cab rails, this thing is clean. It's a Lariat. Got the leather seats in it. It is very, very clean inside and out. Got the sunroof. Got these cool, you can see that glowing blue, what are they called, kicker panels. But I mean, this thing is like super clean. I think my boy likes the most, but it has some aftermarket turbo on it. I'm not sure what it is, but it whistles, and it whistles pretty loud. Kind of neat. But I mean, it's like super, super clean inside and out. I think we got a heck of a deal on it. You know, that's my little Ford Ranger. Getting ready to do a brake job on that. I might make a video of that. I blew a brake line about 2 months ago, and instead of replacing just the one brake line, I'm going to go ahead and redo all the brake lines while we're in there. New rotors, new drum pads, new brake pads all the way around. I'm thinking that might turn into a little project truck. I'm thinking about, it's got the little, it's a 95 XLT. Got the real little tires on it. Thinking about doing a 3-inch lift on it and get me some offset rims. Maybe tuck a set of 33s under it. Maybe take it off-roading. Heck, me and the wife talked about wanting something a little bit different for when we go riding in the winter. Something so we don't get quite as cold. So we may make that our little winter rig. Take it out, get it muddy. So anyhow, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. Just show you my boy's new truck. He's pretty proud of it. He works really hard. He deserves it. So we're going to got some more projects coming the way. I know I said about my cargo trailer that within a week I would try to have a video of installing the shower. That's going to have to wait about another week and a half. Some other stuff I got going on, plus I got to wait for a 90-degree drain that I ordered. I got to wait for that to come in. Then we'll try to get some video footage of building the shower, and then we'll move on to building my little kitchenette, whatever you want to call it. We ain't going to do like the overhead cabinets and stuff like that. That's going to be a little while yet, because that's not something that is priority, really. So we're going to wait on that. We're going to get the main stuff done, and we decided not to put the third bed in too. My daughter don't go riding that much, so we figured we weren't going to waste the time right now. It gives us a little bit more room to move around while we're in there. And so we'll try to get that, get the shower done, get the kitchen done. Then we're going to move on to the shiplap. We're going to shiplap all the walls, use some pallet wood on the cabinets. It'll be pretty neat whenever we're done. I bought some old 100-year-old barn metal that we're going to be putting up in the ceiling. That'll be pretty neat too. Try to make it as much feel like home as we can. You know, if we're going to be out riding and camping and in it a lot more, then might as well make it feel a little more like home. So if you guys like what you're seeing, think about hitting that subscribe button, that like button. It definitely helped me out. Other than that, you know, we'll see you next time.